picked the car. He's like, I just want to do it with no money down. He's going to buy that car. We have an approval on it. But then what flagged it was he's from Connecticut, and then he's sending me an Ohio State ID.
This is what he used. Okay, it was in this door pocket. Oh, wait, hold on. It's a different name on it? Curtis. So he's the owner of this car. This is your gun, man. Are you allowed to have a gun?
I ain't allowed to have no weapons. I don't own a weapon.
Okay.
On June 17th, 2023, officers responded to a suspected fraud call at an auto dealership in Franklin County, Ohio. What appeared to be a routine car purchase unraveled into 3 layered offenses: identity fraud, illegal firearm possession, and vehicle theft.
Sir, stand up. Stand up. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back now. You move, you're getting tased. Do you understand me? All right, we got one in custody. He resisted.
Alright.
Hold on. Yeah, we'll get you there.
77, I missed that. What was that traffic?
I got it.
I didn't do nothing. What did I do? What did I do?
Oh, we'll explain everything.
Fake ID.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Hey.
Alright.
Can I get up, please? Ow. My arm.
Alright.
My arm. I want one.
You got that? This is my key.
Your key?
Yeah, right here is mine.
Is that his one?
Yeah.
What are you doing, dude? What are you doing?
What are you doing? You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's stupid. Now stand up. How stupid could you be? In the car.
My knee.
Well, stop resisting.
Slam me.
All right.
Oh, that could have went a little bit smoother, but hey, that's what it takes sometimes.
Escalated real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you the one talking to Jason?
Yeah, both of us. Me
Okay.
and Marcus.
Can I have all the paperwork?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
117,
And then take me through, like, so what exactly, he just submitted a bunch of, like, bank stuff to show that he can.
So he did an online application. Well, actually, he called in, right? OG. He called in, and then you had to do an online application. He did an online application, submitted his info, but his paycheck stub is fake. When I asked him certain questions, I could tell that he was telling me he worked for Title Max. You can see it's a different company on there.
Yeah.
So he's trying to remember his story, but he doesn't remember the whole thing. But initially, he took 4 or 5 different phone calls just to see. I think he had someone scout. We thought someone that he didn't see any cops here, so he felt okay. And then when he came in, he picked the car. He's like, I just want to do it with no money down. He's going to buy that car. We have an approval on it. But then what flagged it was he's from Connecticut, and then he's sending me an Ohio State ID. And I sent you guys that ID. It came back as the ID that's on there.
And did he claim to be that person?
Yeah, he came in and said, hey, I have an appointment with OG, and then that's how we identified him. That's when we called him. Said he's here.
Okay, and he
Well,
said...
I called, I think Justin is your guys' the detective.
Jason, yeah.
Jason, sorry.
And did he say, like, hey, like, I'm Zach?
I'm on the lot right now. I'm Jason. He says, right now, I'm Zach, the one that you've been talking to. That's how we identified.
So he said he was Zach?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, can you fill out a statement for me then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get a number out of my phone, please?
We're not letting you get anything right now. So this is how it's going to go. I'm going to read you your rights, and then I'm going to explain everything to you, and then you can tell me anything you want to tell me.
Okay.
So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. You can stop answering questions at any time. If you can't afford a lawyer, it won't be appointed for you, okay? Do you understand your rights? Okay, so you're under arrest for identity fraud. Okay? I'm going to let you think about that for a minute. Because we got all the paperwork, everything. that you submitted. All right? So think about that, and then maybe we can have a chat. But other than that, right now, as long as you're cool in here, hopefully the air's on. It is. You're just gonna sit here for a second. We got a couple things we got to do. All right, so push your leg in.
Okay, 1 second. Can you go on my phone and get a number out my phone?
We will take care of that later on down the line, not right now.
So what's happening with them in the vehicle?
Well, we're gonna go over there and I'm gonna have a chat with them too. I need to understand what's going on here. Okay? So watch your leg. He's been read his rights. You good?
Nice.
How y'all doing? Good. What's going on? You guys just giving somebody a ride? Oh, okay. Well, do me a favor. Step out here and talk to us.
Oh, right here.
You got any concealed weapons or anything on you? There you go. You're not under arrest for nothing. You're just being detained.
For what?
Tell me, man. You don't know?
I don't. I know what's going on.
Yeah, I think you guys were driving somebody around today, but we'll get to that.
Where's the driver? Acting like, you know, acting like
117. We have 2 detained.
But I'm trying to see why am I in handcuffs?
Yeah. You're just detained as part of their investigation.
Who's in the investigation?
The other cops. Literally, we're just here to get you out of the car and talk to you. Someone else is going to come deal with everything else.
Have they been ID'd yet?
Yeah, we ID'd them both. Seems like the information they got on them. That's a nice name.
Okay.
We didn't do any Miranda. The vibe so far is that they're just chilling in here.
Okay.
Some dude drove here. He's
So
over there doing his business.
He drove here.
Yep.
So he's the driver. So we're going to search the car to see if there's any documents or anything like that of fraud that would be in here that he would use. I think we definitely have enough for that. We'll get good IDs on them, and then, I mean, if everything checks out with them, we'll kick them loose. All right, guys, here's the deal. This is what's going to happen, okay? I'm going to read your guys' rights. You're not under arrest, but you guys aren't free to leave currently. Your buddy in there fraudulently tried to purchase a car with fake ID and everything, so we're going to search this car to make sure he doesn't have any more kind of documents or IDs that could be construed as identity fraud, okay? Do you guys have any questions?
Why in the f*** is we sitting right here in handcuffs?
Huh?
Why are we sitting right
Because you guys are detained for the reason of coming with him. You guys didn't leave, so it's a little suspicious. Like, how's he going to get that car home if he would have actually bought it? Either he's driving it or one of you are driving it. Okay? So I'll read you both your rights right now. Doesn't mean you guys are under arrest, but in case I want to ask you some questions. So you both have the right to remain silent, and you say it can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have the attorneys present during any question. You guys can stop answering questions at any time. If you can't afford a lawyer, one can be appointed for you guys. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. All right. Who is he to you guys?
What happened?
Who is he to you?
Just a friend.
It's just a friend. What was the business today you guys were conducting with him?
There wasn't no bill. We was riding around,
Riding
chilling
around?
for real, bro. He said he had to stop somewhere.
Okay. He seemed sketched out or anything, or like, I mean, he didn't tell you he was going to buy a car?
Nah, just a normal day, bro. That shit, we plan on going to the Pride later on, kicking it at some. Like, hey, said they snatched my phone off my ear while I was making plans. Like,
Well, I mean,
no, we were interrupting that.
I'm not trying to interrupt that, you know. Is he like a friend to you guys then?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you guys known him?
I don't know him that much.
You don't know him that much? Are you guys like closer than him?
No.
So how do you know him?
I know him. That's my friend too. We know
Okay.
each other from outside.
Okay.
I can't have a friend.
No.
I'm like, dang.
Well, I'm curious because you said, well, I don't know him, but then you're like, well, that's my friend too.
No, I mean, we're all friends.
Yeah, you can.
We're all friends, but we know each other from the neighborhood. That's it.
Okay. All right.
Not like that. I only knew him for about a couple months.
Couple months.
Same as him. I met him at around the same time.
Okay. It is a little warm, ain't it? Believe me, I know. I'm in all dark.
Yeah.
So, okay. But he didn't say anything about coming to get a car or nothing like that? That's just, you know. You didn't ask one of you guys to drive that thing?
I don't even have a vehicle in the name. I don't have nothing. So if I'm getting a ride somewhere, that's just what I'm doing.
I get you. It doesn't preclude you from trying to drive, though. I mean,
No, I can't even drive. I don't even have a license.
Well, believe me, we know plenty of people that drive without license.
I swear to God. I swear to
You know
God.
what I mean?
I do not know how to drive at all. So I don't even. I got temps. I don't even have license. I've never drove a car. Literally, I drove a car when I was 16. I haven't touched another vehicle since. I don't know him about.
Who's the guy you got out there? Curtis? Is that like a fake?
I don't know.
Yeah, I need that. Photograph that. This is what he used. Okay, it was in his door pocket.
Oh, wait, hold on. What's the different name on it?
Curtis.
So
He's the owner of this car.
The other one was Zachary.
Okay.
So he just changed the name.
So do you think this is fake as well, or is he actually? Or is he Curtis?
So this car's probably stolen, man.
This car belongs to Curtis. Is what the registration says.
So this is stolen.
Probably the same deal. Fraudulent.
Right?
Hey man, I asked you if there were any weapons in the car.
Do what?
I asked you if there were any weapons in the car.
I'm supposed to know it's not my car.
Not your car.
No.
You were sitting right next to it.
What that person meant?
You knew this is your gun, man. Are you allowed to have a gun?
I ain't allowed to have no weapon.
Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.49 defines identity fraud with felony classifications tied to transaction value. Because the attempted purchase exceeded $50,000, the offense rises to a felony of the third degree. That classification carries a sentencing range of up to 36 months in the state penitentiary. The subsequent vehicle search rested on two independent Fourth Amendment doctrines operating in tandem. First, the automobile exception established in Carroll v. United States in 1925 allows warrantless searches on probable cause. Second, Arizona v. Gant, decided in 2009, permits vehicle searches for evidence tied to the offense of arrest. The firearm recovered from a passenger's bag fell within Wyoming v. Houghton, which authorizes container searches during a valid vehicle search. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.13 prohibits firearm possession by anyone previously convicted of a violent felony. The suspect's spontaneous admission that he could not lawfully possess a weapon delivered after Miranda constitutes a complete evidentiary admission. The passenger's detention was governed by Terry v. Ohio, requiring only reasonable suspicion rather than probable cause. Their continued presence at the scene of an active felony supplied the articulable facts justifying a brief investigative stop. The female passenger avoided prosecution under the mere presence doctrine, which holds that proximity alone does not establish criminal complicity. Ohio Section 2923.03 requires proof of knowing participation, a threshold the prosecution could not meet.
I don't own the weapon.
Okay. 'Cause, I mean, it's back there in the bag where you're sitting with your tea.
Yeah.
100, the last call we had there was in December of 22 on a parking.
Only took us the handgun out of the bag.
We probably released her. I ain't got nothing for you because we're taking this car.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Okay.
We'll get your property.
Man, unless you want to stay with the handcuffs on.
No, hell no. He's kind of hurt. I mean, I didn't know. I ain't never.
You can't multitask. You can't multitask.
No, I just didn't want to move.
I feel you.
Y'all ain't told me to move yet.
Okay.
I'll call my aunt to come with me.
Okay. There's a gas station right down the road. I mean, I can take you somewhere real quick. Like,
Is it like to stay right here, or is this a problem to just stay here?
You probably want to go to UDF and sit in there.
I don't even want to be by. No, I don't even want to be over here no more.
Yeah, UDF and you sit in their little lobby. Get you some ice cream or water or something.
No, look, I'm here handcuffs. I look crazy.
Hey, shit.
What?
Get my phone, man. We gonna give it to you. It's gonna go on your property. She can take it if you not have it, and not be able to get no numbers.
All right, so what you want me to do? Take it or not? Did you want me to take the phone?
Nah, just
What's Pop's number? I'm not gonna remember that. That's why I said, did you want me to just take the phone? Yeah, I'm gonna call my.
2014.
Can you read your rights? Can you put them on, like, down, please?
Down?
Oh, you're talking about in the back. Alright. Officer already spoke to you, right? Okay.
What's going on with them over there?
I don't know. I haven't been over there. You're going to go into the Whitehall Police Department for now. Okay?
Alright.
Listen, dude, don't fight anymore. It's just, we're past that point.
117 to 0.
You understand?
Sure.
Not worth it. What's done is done. It's worth the process out.
Lobby going to Franklin County.
I can't even. I am not a part of this call. I was assisting with this call. I don't know the details. I have no idea whether you'll be released or not. Yeah, so that officer will be in to interview you and talk to you. But it's just going to be a little bit, okay? So just sit tight. You don't have anything else on your person, right?
No, my ID's in my pocket.
Okay.
My real IDs.
So just sit back for me.
Either way, it's on file.
You can't even pull up over here so I can at least tell them bye or something.
Or the Joshua Morgan.
Sit back.
On grading the officers, earn a B+ for Miranda compliance, proportional force, and a clean distinction between arrest and investigative detention. Both male suspects earn a failing grade for self-incrimination, active resistance, and multiple concurrent felony charges. The female passenger earns a C+, saved by strategic silence rather than by prudent decision-making. First lesson after Miranda is administered: silence is not merely a right. It is the only defensible strategic position. Second lesson: companion selection directly shapes legal exposure because complicity liability follows anyone with proven knowledge of the design. Third lesson: fabricated documents rarely stand alone, and each layer of deception generates its own independent criminal charge. If you have a case or a legal topic you would like analyzed, share it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police and court interactions.